can't see.
Nope.
Sun is like fucking level with the light, dude.
I can see the light right where I'm at. I'll let you know when it turns green. It's green.
I'll let you know when it turns green. It's green.
Those are nice pants. Nice pants. Nice pants. Those are nice pants.
I guess I'll also... Guess what, dude?
What?
My fucking wallet is home.
You need... Yeah, I got you.
No, I have a half a tank. I can definitely make it. But I'm saying, like, if I got pulled over, if I got searched, I have my fucking weapon on me.
Ooh, just don't do anything stupid.
Yeah.
That's all it comes down to. Thought I would feel these, but you don't feel it at all.
What's that?
The knuckle guards and all that.
Oh, yeah. You'll be thankful if you fucking smack your hand to Mother Earth.
Sure, I would be. Hopefully that never happens.
Yeah, a lot of people say it's not a matter of if.
It's a matter of when. That's why I said hopefully never.
Just hope that you're fucking going at a low velocity.
The only way to ensure you never crash is just not ride.
Crashing's not that bad. I mean, it fucking kills your pride and ego.
You've done it with like every bike you've had, haven't you?
No, only 2, including this one.
I was gonna say you dropped this one
right out of my friggin' driveway too, man. That shit was like, that's what fucking kills your pride, when you barely just get out of your driveway and you fucking low side. Should have seen Kayla on the track, dude. She at first she wasn't really like fond of like corners and stuff. She wasn't like leaning the bike.
Yeah.
I mean, you might already know, but like the way that you're supposed to take like a good corner is you put
counter steering.
Well, that, but like as far as your body position, you fucking hang off the bike.
Oh yeah.
You know, and she was deathly afraid to do that, but she was doing it, dude. She was moving that booty over and putting the knee out. I was super proud of her.
She top it out?
No, it's actually hard. Like, I even tried to top it out, and I couldn't because the straight there's 2 different ways that you can go on the track, obviously, like the front way and then the back way.
Yeah.
And the way that we were going, the straight leading up to the turn was kind of at a little bit of an incline. So, like, I had that thing wide open, and the fastest I got it was 70 miles an hour. I have topped it out, though. I've got it to 82. That's as fast as I've gotten it. 82! And that was going downhill, so I knew that I topped it out that day.
The 250s we were riding at the course, I totally would buy one of those, because those things were pretty fun just to fuck around on.
Yeah, dude, like, Ryan made fun of me because I wanted to take Kayla's bike around the track.
Yeah.
Dude, they're fucking... You don't need to have horsepower to have fun, dude. Like, I want a Grom, too, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's fun messing around with little CCs.
Yeah, dude, just fucking tool around on it. I have far too many ambitions. Like, I want a whole fleet of bikes. Like, I want a bike for each mood that I'm in. Like,
yeah,
this bike is going to be my mainstay. Like, I'm always going to have this one. But I want a cruiser like that. I want an Enduro. I want a Grom. And I want just a strictly off-road fucking mud machine.
Do you remember who your instructors' names were?
I might know one. Dennis, maybe?
Yes, Dennis. Fucking, he's a Willie Nelson character. Dennis was hilarious. So, that Dennis guy, the riding instructor, he took us in the classroom and he was like, I need to tell you all you kids one thing. He's like, don't buy into that bullshit. Loud pipes save life. He's like, that's fucking horse shit.
Not true.
The only thing is, if you're behind somebody, they still can't hear you because of how ears work.
That's not true. If you want, dude, you're going to tell me right now when you were leading you couldn't hear me.
All right, yes, but that's because you have something behind you that your pipes are echoing off of. If there's nothing behind you, like if you're in a desert, it'd be silent in front of you.
No.
Nope. I will look up the research documents and send them to you.
No. Listen, I'm not saying for a second that if the pipes are in front of you, that they're not louder than when they're behind you, but you can indefinitely hear them when they're still behind you. I don't give a shit what anybody says.
Yeah, but to the coincidence to get them loud enough for people to hear it,
listen, bro. He said the same thing to our class, too. And even then, I was like, I could like see where you're going, but I can't put 100% truth behind it. Dude, like, after doing like Tail of the Dragon and the track and shit, roads just aren't the same anymore. And I know I probably sound like a pretentious douchebag saying that.
What else is new?
It's true, man. Like, even the gorge is, like, laughable to me now. It's going to be, like, one of those things where it's like a fucking drug where, like, smoking weed's not going to do it for me anymore. I got to fucking...
Oh, it's a gateway, man. You're going to be in coke and heroin in no time.
Yeah, my coke and heroin is going to be, like, fucking Tail of the Dragon. Turkey, don't do it. Come on, fucker.
Fucking asshole.
What are you doing?
Nice meme.